Hi, I'm Miss Joanne, and I want to talk about 1.1. We want to talk about how do we evaluate algebraic expressions. So on average, an adult zebra eats 30 pounds of food each day. So we want n to be the number of adult zebra in the world so that we know how much food we need to prepare for the zebra, or we can calculate to see if we still have enough food for the zebra. So here it is. If n is the number of zebra in the wild, then 30 pounds times n equals to the amount of food needed for zebra in the wild. So here we have 30 as coefficient and n as variable. So here's the thing. So what is a variable? This is a very important concept in Math 8. So what is a variable? A variable is a letter that represents a value that can change or vary. So a variable represents a value. It can be any value, it can be any number that can change or vary. So what is a coefficient? The coefficient is the number in front of the value. So the coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable. That is the number in front of the variable, such as 30n minus 30 is the coefficient. Then the next one, what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression. A mathematical expression is usually something with a number. So an algebraic expression is an expression that has one or more variables. So algebra is a type of math that dealing with variables. Here comes more terms. So what is the constant? A constant is a number that doesn't change, and it never changes. So constant is a number that doesn't change and it never changes. So what is evaluate? To evaluate the number of algebraic expression is that we substitute T-U-E, I'm checking my spelling. Okay, so substitute a number into an algebraic expression. So an evaluate, how are we going to evaluate is when I substitute a number into a specific algebraic expression. So what is substitute? substitute happens when I replace a variable with a number. So substitute happens when I replace a variable with a number. So here example 1. I want to evaluate its expression for the given value of the variable. So I want to evaluate x plus 5 when x equals to 11. So in this case, I am going to substitute 11 with x. So it becomes 11 plus 5, which is 16. Next one, 2a plus 3 when a equals to 4. So then in this case, it equals to 2 times a plus 3 equals to 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3 equals to 11. And now I want to evaluate when n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 0, n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 0, n equals to 1, n equals to 2. So then now I have 4 times 3 plus minus 2. 4 times 3 plus minus 2. 4 times 3 plus minus 2. So now plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 4 times 3 minus 2. 12 minus 2 equals to 10. Equals to 4 times 4 minus 2, 14. Equals to 4 times 5 minus 2, 20 minus 2, 18. So when we evaluate is that while we try to substitute the number with the variable. Okay, so now I want to talk about orders of operation. So we talked about this before. So orders of operation, we go from P to E to M to D Okay, I'm going to move this upward because I'm writing it too close to tight. M, D, A, S. So P, M, D, A, S. So here I have P goes with parenthesis. So parenthesis goes first. And then I'll do exponent. Then I do multiplication. Division. Division. Addition. Subtraction. So I go from parenthesis to exponent to multiplication to division to subtraction. So now I want to evaluate when x equals to 13, y equals to 11. So here we go. 5, 13 plus 2 times 11. 5 times 13, 65 plus 22, 87. The next one, 2.5 for P is 12 minus 4 times 6.5. So 2.5 times 12. 30 minus 6.5. So this one I use fractions. 26. So this equals to 4. And then now I have a physical science application. So if C is the temperature in degrees in Celsius, then 1.8 C plus 32 can be used to find temperatures in degree of Fahrenheit. And then so how do we convert each temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit? How about freezing point of water? So 1.8 C plus 32 when C equals to 0. So 1.8 times 0 plus 32, which is 32 Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit. And how about the highest recorded temperature in United States? So we use 1.8 C plus 32 when C equals to 57 degree. So 1.8 times 57 plus 32 equals to 102.6 plus 32, which is 134.6 Fahrenheit. So now I want you to think about these questions, and then I'll see you in class to discuss these questions.